Welcome to the Skytech Blaze 3.0 review. I do monthly updates on the Skytech Blaze ever since I bought this PC, following other PC videos, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's jump into the video. So I bought this PC back in November. That's like 4.5, 5 months-ish. And the only problem I got with it, it's a RAM problem. I did a video on that, so y'all could check that out. Link is in the description. So that's the only problem I got with it. And other from that, everything is running smooth. I don't got no problem with it. It's turning on fine, shutting off fine. Yeah, it's just been running smooth. My games are not crashing. It's still working fine. It's what, 5 months now. Everything is still running good. Maybe the 6 month, maybe the 7 month, it might fail, but for now, it's working good. I'm gonna keep giving y'all updates on this PC. Yeah, nothing to complain about. It's working very good for me. I go back on the Amazon link that I buy this PC on, and I read a couple of the comments, and they're be like saying it's not turning on, it's not doing this, it's not doing that. But for me, it's working very good. 5 months, it's working pretty good. So I don't know what the problem with their PC, but mine is running smoothly. Playing my games great, as I said before. Don't have no issue with it. So hope y'all enjoy another monthly update on the Skytech Blaze 3.0. Stay tuned for more content like this, and like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Anything, any question y'all have, want to ask me about the Skytech Blaze. I'm here to help, so y'all free to do that. Stay tuned for more. Take care. Peace.